Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through the process of preventing someone from sending files in a Telegram group chat. If you're an admin and need to restrict file sharing for a specific member, this full guide will show you how. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Locate the Telegram icon, usually a white paper airplane on a blue background, and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Once the app is open, go to the group chat where you want to prevent someone from sending files. It's important to note that you need to be an admin in the group for this feature to work. Step 3. Tap on the group's name at the top of the chat screen. This will open the group's details. Step 4. Scroll down to the Members section. Here you'll find a list of all the group members. Step 5. Tap and hold on the member's name that you want to restrict from sending files. A menu will appear. Step 6. From the menu options, tap on User's Permissions. This will open the permission settings for that member. Step 7. Tap on the arrow beside Media to expand the media permissions. Step 8. Locate the option labeled Files and disable it by toggling the switch. By following these steps, you can easily prevent someone from sending files in a Telegram group chat, providing better control over the content shared within the group. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.